what we were able to actually do was put a business case to the client to be able to introduce things like the use of RealWear intrinsically safe cameras. And with that and getting it set up and the advent of Teams being used so much at that time, we were able to, with an experienced operator who wore the device, they were able to take us through the facility hands-on, real-time. We were able to use the P&IDs, the plot plans, the schematics to be able to remotely guide him to look through the facilities and do some of the verification work that we wanted to do, and to be able to engage one-to-one in the conversation, again, facilitating that learning and feedback loop that I talked about earlier. So that really took us well beyond a tabletop exercise, which is what most people were restricted to doing in their organizations at that time, and gave us that real live visibility of what the equipment was, what the work practices were, what controls were in place. And yeah, I think it was a really meaningful assurance activity.